don't intercept. Just outside the 18, Palmer pulls the trigger and he scores!
Yo, go on, people. Very quick review. All right, so Jamaica just defeated Bermuda 4-0. So they actually better my prediction. My prediction was Jamaica to win 4-1, and they bettered it. Well, let me take off your phone. Let me tell you something, people. Confidence is very, very important in football. Really, really important. And right now, we needed this win. This win is what's going to propel us. This win is what's going to take us to the glory land. And where's the glory land? Must World Cup. All right, so as I said, Jamaica defeated Bermuda 4-0, and it's a good look. We're looking good. We're looking confident. And yo, me asking, me telling us people, whenever I see the star players in a team, anytime I see star players in a team, it's a total different team. It's a total different team. Me say it, but you laugh off of me and said this, I rate it. Let me tell you something, people. It's the hard work. You get repaid for hard work. When you get repaid for hard work. All right, so let's get into the game. Let's start first. We started off very, very well. Front-footed, very, very confident, aggressive, as I said, on the front, high press, high intensity press. They were struggling. How they wanted to retain ball, they tried to play from the back, and then they tried to hold possession by playing the ball amongst the defenders. They, yes, 1 and 2 moments, them split the lines on the first phase of line, the first line, and almost going to the second phase. They did have possession, but they never necessarily was threatening us. 1 and 2 moments came in their part, but that's football. That will happen. That's how football is. But we were very, very lethal up front. And I always said, we must score goals. This is a question I'm asking at press conference. Going to these games, we only have one striker who scored 1 goal, and that was Bailey Kadamatri. And he started tonight. From my perspective, I thought he had a very good game. Now, the good game in regards to overall play. Then now, you can very much ask a lot of questions in regards to its finishing. You have a lot of players like that, very good with everything else, but when you come on to the finishing, yeah. But what I saw enough from him to know that he will score goals. He will 100% score goals. So once him sharpen up in front of goal, definitely goals will come. And maybe saying he had a very good game, probably not over the board, but I thought he had a decent game in regards to applying himself. But the goals will come. He did miss open goal. He one hit the bar, one hit straight at the keeper. Then now the one from the cutback, I think it was Campbell. Yeah. So in regards to the new faces, I have to say they gave a proper account of themselves. I thought Tyrese Campbell was really, really good. It showed very, very bright. One touch, quick leg of the ball, try to do nothing extra, keep it as simple as possible. Very explosive. I really, really like how him play. Wells. I think that is that it. I think that's it. I do think Lembi Kisa, kind of never really look sharp overall. All right. So those so the two newcomers will start at Tyrese Campbell and Bailey Kadamatri. They acquitted themselves quite properly. I do believe though Bailey Kadamatri on a different day, maybe he left here tonight with an hat-trick. That's how it is. Importantly, chances were being created for him. Time and time again. Look at the passes where King were made in behind the line, over the top, directly, releasing Bailey Kadamatri as fast as possible to create that, and also Tyrese Campbell. So the Tyrese Campbell and Kadamatri was feeding off of what Richard King was giving them. So overall, let me run through the team. Let me kiss, as I said. I thought Jamal Wade had a decent night. Wasn't pressured at all, so fairly decent. Gregley had an okay night. You can see attacking wise though, going forward, all right, but defensively, a little bit of work need to be done there defensively where Gregley is concerned. I do believe that good game from Damian Lowe, even though I do believe that sometimes in go searching for things, go search for problems. But I thought he had a good game. Very good finish from Damian Lowe. Toe poke the ball in the back of net. 6 minutes in, make it look good. Start off the game good. So and where the partnership is concerned, Richard King hitting the channels over the top, getting the ball in behind, especially when the Bermuda team was pressing quite high. In middle of the park, I thought Isaac Aiden was very, very good. Keep it ticking, keep the ball game moving. One possession quite easy. Recycle the ball when you need to. Progress the ball when you need to. Hit the punch the ball not in between the lines when he needed to. And he kept the ball moving. John Russell played a little bit more laid back role tonight. That's why I didn't see much in the final third until when Casey Palmer came off. But I thought John Russell was okay. I expected a little bit more from John Russell because, in our final third, that is his bread and butter. But I guess because he's playing a little bit deeper, a little bit more of a protection role, helping Isaac Aiden in the middle of the park. Good little bit of combination. Casey Palmer, I thought tonight was a better night for Casey Palmer. One of the better nights we have seen of Casey Palmer. I do, especially for that his goal came in the, let's see if I can find it. Yeah, in the 58th minute. Good goal, drive through the middle of the park. Really, really good run. Realized I had an option and just went for it. And that was a very, very good finish from Casey Palmer. Right hand side, as I mentioned, newcomer Tyrese Campbell. Well, it's not his debut, but this is actually first thing get up some full minutes to express himself, and he looked really, really good. Exciting on the right hand side, and I thought that when he went over to the left hand side, he actually grew more into the game. When the things he might get tired, but good game from Tyrese Campbell. I thought it was a very, very good game, very intelligent game as well. His football IQ is quite nice. Touch here, move, touch, move. When no one followed the ball, it was very, very intelligent football from him. Ronaldo Cephas on the left hand side now scores goal in the 26 minutes to put us 2-0 up. Definitely a player I really like. A player after I express whole factors in. I always tend to contribute in games, but he needs to let go of the ball. You can pass the ball when it seems necessary. Now, if you never scored a goal, a whole heap of cussing I get for that. But him scored the goal, brilliant finish. I would say another running from half line, drive through middle park, and that's a testament to the Bermuda team. 2 goals all score are basically our players driving from half line. Well, Casey Palmer was kind of uncontested. Maybe Cephas was a little bit more difficult, but still went on straight and scored a goal. Definitely 100% he needs to let go of the ball a little bit more. Yes, he does. Him a kind of passing accuracy. Let me tell you something. Let me check it, people. Let me check it good. It's very, very strange, because he ended the game with 100% passing accuracy. Now, 8, which is 8 passes. Now you could say, boy, he might end the game like that because he never really pass the ball a lot. And when he do pass the ball, he pass the ball where he can kind of safe. But yes, it's just quite interesting. So I do think though his goal was score, and it was a consistent threat down the right hand side for the Bermuda defense, down our left hand side. Then no, Bailey Kadamatri. I do believe he will come good. I strongly believe that he will come good. Very technical, really, really good. Receiving the ball in tight spaces. Wonderful first touch. So, and setting up himself to get out the shot. Something, if you're persons who play ball with me, anybody who play ball with me or watch it, would I say, maybe, just maybe, as some player. Everything else good. Everything else good. But the finishing, piece poor. Yeah, his finishing was very, very poor. Extremely poor. You can't say that that's not nerves, because nerves don't make you miss an open goal. When he beat the keeper and the goal was open up to him, so, and he kick you wide, that's not nerves. That's just maybe, I don't know if you explain the one there. We can't explain the one there. Can't explain the one there. But I believe he will come good. I strongly believe he will come good. He looks to have all the credentials to be a really good striker. So, players who come off the bench, let me check it. Kyle Dixon look bright and springy. Not bad at all. Hold on. Yeah. Kara Anderson, I do believe he came on and committed quite a bit of foul. Mason Oldgate look alright when he came on. Boza came on and scores header. Can you imagine? Was out for so long. And me only say to no people. Fun fact. Let me tell you, this is the honest truth, people. If the Boza miss them chance or Kadamarch miss, be honest with yourself, people. All I know always a cost me. Be honest with yourself. Who not cost from now till next year. If the Boza miss them there, me know not cost me dog rotten. When that cost Boza dog rotten, not Boza. Not because I'm not come defend. But when I cost him dog rotten. Well done to him. Kaim Dixon, Webster came on, registered an assist, wonderful work, wonderful delivery from Webster. And Kaim Dixon, as I said, put himself about, not much did happen, but definitely. Overall, good performance from the team. Really, really enjoyable match. We like when we score a goal. We love when we score a goal. Anyways, people, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Coach, big up yourself. We look like we'll score goals. No, but remember, Bermuda, we still have a couple more games left to go. Trinidad coming up next. Look out. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Outside.